Welcome back, everybody. The FedEx guy just left here, and I suspect the package I've been waiting on for Black Friday, I think, has arrived. So let's go out here and see if it's my package I've been looking for, and that's exactly what it is. It's my Adams Black Friday box. So let me pick this up here, and I'll show you what's on the inside of it. And we'll do a quick unboxing of my Adams here. So, pretty excited to see what's all in here. So, let me find a place here to set you down and get this opened up. Let me grab a knife, because everybody loves an unboxing of Adams products. So all this damn paper. So kind of caught off guard there a little bit. I thought I got a squirrel killer, but let me show you here. I got the Ultra Foam soap. Forgot what it smells like. It smells like gingerbreadish smell, but I don't know why I ordered more soap. You've probably seen in my other videos. I've got a ton of damn soap. I got the detail spray exterior. That's cinnamon smell. That's strong cinnamon. Smells great. I got the tire shine. Man, that smells good. That smells like cookies. I may wind up eating that. Also got the interior detailer. And I believe this is candy cane. Yeah. That smells so good. So I got all three of those. And I did pick up 2 bottles of their tire armor. Seen great reviews on them. I'm gonna try it out. I bought 2. That way, if it did work well, at least I have another bottle. So I got that. Then I ordered their Bluetooth speaker. We'll see how well this one works. Actually, I bought this for my wife for Christmas, so you probably won't see this video until after Christmas, maybe. But she never watches none of my videos anyway, so it don't matter. As you can tell, it's a nice little camera, or Bluetooth. I don't know how well it works. I haven't seen too many people getting this. I believe I am the first one on YouTube to order this one. As you can tell, it's turned on, so I think right now it's maybe searching. So, well, I can't hook it up because I'm using my phone to make this video, but I will hook it up and see how well it works, and give a review on it. I do have another box, not from Adams, but a another box of tire, or 1 gallon tire shine I got coming in. I bought from a gentleman off the Adams community page they have on Facebook. So when that gets here, but I'm pretty excited to use all these products. Almost makes me want to go out there and wash the car now just to use them. I think I am going to order at least 3 more bottles of the tire shine because that smells really good. I don't know why. It's like all my damn soap. Why do I need all the tire shine? I don't know, but it smells wonderful. Like I said, I got a whole gallon of tire shine coming. It smells like bananas. It may take me a while to use it all, but I will use some of this stuff on customers' cars when I detail them, and go from there. So if you like what you saw here today, subscribe, hit the like button, and I will make other videos using these products on cars and customers' cars and give you my opinion on them. So until then, peace.